there, this video is about the major modes of the Ionian system: Ionian, Lydian and Mixolydian. 3 major modes with a different flavor. How can we incorporate this difference into a chord progression? I'm going to show you what I call the Frank Gambale method. Frank Gambale, an incredible fusion guitar player known for his sweep picking technique, but he is also a great chord concept following the principle of exclusion. In the Ionian system we got 3 major modes and 3 major chords on the 1st, 4th and 5th degree, and the 4th and the 5th degree chords are the core of the concept. The D Ionian scale is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp. The 4th and the 5th notes are G and A. And here we get those 2 major chords. When I play a G major and an A major over the root D, we get the perfect sound of D Ionian. And especially those 2 chords on the 4th and 5th degree, the G major and the A major, together with the root D, rule everything out but the D major scale and the D major mode. And this concept works also for the Lydian mode, which is on the 4th degree. If I want to play in D Lydian, the 4th mode in the A Ionian system, and in the A Ionian system I have an A major on the 1st degree, a D major on the 4th degree, and an E major on the 5th degree. And if I combine the 4th and 5th degree chords with the root D, I get the D Lydian mode. Mixolydian is the 5th mode. If I want to play D Mixolydian, the 5th mode of the G Ionian system. And there I have a G major on the 1st degree, a C major on the 4th degree, and a D major on the 5th degree. And if I combine C major and D major together with the root D, we get a perfect chord combination for D Mixolydian. There. In this video I'd like to show you how you can perfectly integrate the sound of the different minor modes of the Ionian system into your chord progression. The 3 minor modes are Dorian on the 2nd degree, Phrygian on the 3rd degree, and Aeolian, also called natural minor, on the 6th degree. Let's start with the D Dorian mode. I know Dorian is the 2nd mode of the C Ionian system. And when you know which Ionian system you are in, you have to use the 4th and 5th degree chords, which are both major chords in the C Ionian system. These are C, D, E, F major and G major. And then you combine these 2 major chords with the root you want to play. And the root is the 2nd one of the C Ionian system. So you make the 2nd note D the root and combine it with F major, D and F major, and D and G major. And playing those 2 major chords on the 4th and 5th degree roots everything out by the principle of exclusion. Same works with the Phrygian mode. I know this is the 3rd mode of the B flat Ionian system, and in B flat I have an E flat major and an F major. And when I combine with the root D, E flat major and F major, by the principle of exclusion you get the Phrygian sound. D Aeolian or D natural minor. D Aeolian is the 6th mode of the F Ionian system, and in F Ionian we have on the 4th degree B flat major, and on the 5th degree a C major. If I combine B flat major and C major with the root D, you get the perfect Aeolian sound.